All right, let's get these down after we got completely lost. We can now finally... Oh, they got new buttons. New call buttons.
I think yeah, they did down there.
Yeah, they did. New monitor tiara.
Oh gosh, I can't see it. Ow.
No, it's even worse.
What? Why? Did the metal detector not go off? Wait, how did you get that past security?
I don't know.
Did we not go through that?
No, we did. We did.
I guess they didn't care.
I don't think it was like that. Yeah, they probably didn't care.
I thought that stuff would be like get it.
Nah, not that kind of stuff. There's another push button. That one's for staff, yeah.
I think it links up the same way. They're stupid.
Where are they? They shouldn't take this long.
All the way upstairs.
One of them's here. So this.
Yes, this one.
All right. Yep. These are Thyssen.
Oh, they don't do like turning.
Yeah. Lock, 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 lock.
Second floor, really?
If only we could go up higher. How far is the... Oh, there we go.
These are fast.
Hey, I wish we could go up all the way to the top. That was
Why
so,
can't we?
That was so fun. I wonder what's restricting that. You guys going down? No. All right, come on in.
It doesn't go up. Yeah.
No, this one doesn't go up. This one goes down.
Yeah, we have to go down.
All right, one or lower level? One. 5, what the? 5,000 pounds? Yeah, this is one.
Yeah, to the heck. Up and down.
What's it?
Going all around.
What kind of button is this? I don't know what...
Yeah, you want to go up and see if...
I doubt we'll be able to get any further. Like it's up.
Oh.
Nice. Which one? 1 or 2?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Want to get it? Oh, this is a good view. Get the side view. Yep, there's the other ones.
Fast.
These are fast. I like them. This button's seen better days.
We're going down.
Just push it down. Push it down until it becomes a pit in your stomach.
Yeah, they replaced the call buttons. Look at that.
What were the call buttons originally?
They were like weird. It was like a weird, I don't know if it was monitor or not. It was a very strange button. I have a video of what these were. I don't think this will work. Let's call one, see what happens. I doubt it's gonna ring the other ones. That goes out to the, it's not coming? Yeah, I doubt we'll be able to get on any of the other ones. Those cool looking indicators though. Yeah, the same one rang back. It's only restricted to the right car.
Oh, they're actually turned off.
Oh, they are? Oh yeah, they are. Look at that. I guess they only activate them during the planetarium.
It's gonna happen in a few minutes.
Alright, that's it.